How to save photos in Google Photo. Hi guys, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm gonna let you know the ways to save photo in Google Photos. So for that case, you just have to go and open up your Google Photos app and make sure that you're logged in. On this page, you need to tap on the profile icon from the top right, go to backing up and go to photo settings. When you press on photo settings, first of all, you need to go and toggle the button for backup, and right at the bottom you can see settings. Go to backup quality, make sure to do it original. Next thing, you need to go to mobile data uses. Now here you need to make sure that what sort of data to be used in order to sync your data. Then you need to go with backup device folder. If you want to select it, you could go ahead and select either one of these, and then you'll have successfully backed up and saved photo in Google Photos. Likewise, you could also go ahead and make changes with the settings. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.